In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit navigation menus on WordPress.com. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to enhance their website's usability and overall design. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge needed to create a seamless browsing experience for your visitors. First, let's start by navigating to WordPress.com and logging into your account. Simply open your preferred web browser and search for WordPress.com login. Click on the link that says WordPress.com, everything you need to build your website. Once you're there, enter your credentials and log in. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head to your dashboard. If you're working locally, you can access your dashboard by typing localhost WordPress wp admin index.php into your browser's address bar. For online installations, simply click on the My Sites section at the top left corner and select Dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, we're going to focus on the Appearance tab. This is your gateway to various customization options for your site. Click on Appearance and then proceed to Editor. This is where we're going to make changes to our site's layout, including the navigation menu. In the editor, you'll notice a section called Patterns. This is where various design elements are housed. Click on Patterns and then select Header to edit the section where your navigation menu will be placed. Click on the Header option to open it. You'll see a range of design tools and options available to you. What you're going to do next is click on the plus icon, which allows you to add elements to your site. In the search box that appears, type Navigation Menu. This will filter the options down to exactly what we need. When you see the Navigation Menu option, go ahead and click on it to add it to your header. This automatically inserts a placeholder menu, which you'll be modifying to suit your needs. Now to customize it, click on the plus icon once more. This will allow you to add different navigational links or pages to the menu. Feel free to rearrange and rename items as needed. Remember, the goal here is to make your website easy to navigate. So think about your menu's structure and how visitors will interact with it. Once you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to click Save. This ensures that all your hard work is secured and viewable live on your website. Congratulations! You've successfully added and edited a navigation menu on WordPress.com. This is a significant step in making your website more professional and user-friendly. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be customizing like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!